This is what Kaylee got from Grandma and Grandpa. Look at that little chair.
Hey,
do you like it?
She loves it.
Do you like that chair?
Don't tell her what you...
Rock it just a little bit.
Is this Grandpa Cook or Great Grandpa Cook?
It's
Grandpa Butterfield.
Grandpa Butterfield.
It's Great Grandpa Butterfield.
No.
Her great grandpa.
Yeah, hers.
Move it a bit.
Wait, Jared.
Kimberly, move it. Rock it a little bit. Woo! Woo! Is that so fun?
I am cowboy.
Help her get her balance.
Okay, wave bye. Kaylee, wave bye.
No, there's more than just
Kaylee.
one chair for the purpose.
Kaylee. Bye. Bye. I don't think she can because she doesn't have any balance.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Bye.